Whoever can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. This isn't something I made up. This is something Dan Kennedy talks about all the time in his No BS Magnetic Marketing newsletter. Because I'm a gold member, I see this line at the bottom of every email, every bulletin, every issue. That's how important this idea is. Dan puts it everywhere because he knows most people never fully gets it. And I'll be honest with you, most small town business owners definitely don't get it. I sure didn't. Back in my coffee shop days, this flew right over my head, and it cost me everything. Not understanding this principle was a huge part of why we ended up $163,000 in debt. 7 years of financial stress. 7 years of worrying about losing my house. 7 years wondering if this pressure would break my marriage. 7 years of feeling like a failure.